Hey, what's up, Safemoon holder? This is very urgent update for Safemoon holder, and this is live price prediction of Safemoon. Can there is a chance to Safemoon is moving upward or not, my brother? Because in the previous days, very badly fell down. And yes, I have also one good news for Safemoon holder. So kindly don't skip any second of this video. Try to understand, my brother. And the good news is going to be very important, especially. So kindly let's see, my brother. Kindly before I get started video, I request you to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification for more this type informative and updates. Thank you so much, my brother. First of all, I'm going to show you the last 1 month, my friends, chart, and absolutely after that, my friend, I'm going to show you the latest update, absolutely. But this time you could see the prediction is very important, my friends. So let's predict this coin to there is a chance to upcoming time they're moving upward or not. As you can see, my friends, especially in the start of month, there every cryptocurrency fails down, especially. So therefore they also fails down. So after a very bad fast, you can see here they also take a very good jump. So it's mean to they completely go in the moon. Safemoon is a viral, my friends, especially in the last month, my friend. Especially this is very, my friends, this is very fastest coin in the crypto market. But definitely every cryptocurrency after a jump they fails down. So therefore they also fails down after a massive jump. But after this fails, they also do very good jump, my friends. And exactly after this fails, you can see they also fails down after this jump. So exactly every cryptocurrency is after fails. You can see, my friends, also after this fails, they also take a good jump. So absolutely, you can see here they're moving in this circulation. So exactly, my friends, it's a jump time. So you need to hold this time. You can see the 37.484% there in the profit. So it's a very good coin, my friends, for a short time investor. Absolutely, my friends, Safemoon is not for a long time investor. Absolutely, this is very good for a short time investor. So kindly you need to invest for a short time, because if you if you buy just in only at the start of month, and if you sell at the end of month, then exactly, my brother, they will give you very good profit. Especially short term investor doing what they are starting selling in those days, especially. So therefore I think this is very big mistake. So kindly you need to wait for the end of month. I hope, my friend, at the end of month they will give you very good profit. All right, let's see the latest update to what's going on in the current time. So this time you can see, my brother, the last 1 hour chart is on the screen, and this time you can see here plus 2.07%, they are in the profit. The price will jump occur now. So you can see here after a very bad fail, you can see here they're moving upward now. So Safemoon is one of the fastest this time, my friends. You can see here today starting moving upward. Definitely it's a good change occur now. Very good news for Safemoon holder. You need to hold and wait for the end of month. I hope, my friends, in upcoming times they completely moving upward. So you need to hold. The good news, my friends, the good news is that the giveaway of Safemoon is coming soon. I do a giveaway, my friend, of 50,000 coins of Safemoon. So you need to subscribe our YouTube channel. Just and only when you complete my 10,000 subscriber, absolutely I make special video for that, and absolutely I announce that, my friends. So thanks for watching. Please like this video and make sure to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.